Hello friends and namaste. I am excited. This is not about nutrition or yoga, but this is not sponsored by Ipsy, but this is a PR box and I am so excited because this isn't something that, oh, I'm getting something free and I'm gonna, or talk about it or this is something that I really love. Let me show you. I have probably, this isn't all of them I have. Of course, these are just some of the current ones. I got the very first Ipsy bag. And now, I don't even know how many years ago that was, but what I love about it is it's a subscription, and for gosh, it's a reasonable price. And I'm gonna link everything below. You get this, and you get to try wonderful products, and I'll be honest, it's stuff that I wouldn't go and pick out because I don't spend money unless I have tried things like a bigger, you are worth investing in. Let me tell you, especially skincare and stuff. But I'm a single mom, so I don't just throw around money. So Ipsy has allowed me to try things at a reasonable price and then decide, if I want to purchase things. And then they always have wonderful deals. So my excitement, let me take a deep breath. Let's stretch. I'm just kidding. Actually, no, I'm not. I am that excited. So I haven't opened this yet. So being my very first one, the other ones I might look at and maybe try to use and then show you, but this is my very first one. I'm gonna share it with you guys. So let us not waste any time. I'm so excited. Where do I open it? Oopsies. Uh-oh. Oh, uh-oh. I had it the wrong way. Okay. Okay, but this is also the, oops. I'm just so excited. Yikes. Okay. Okay. This is not only it's the Ipsy and Ipsy Plus. So, I love the box. Yay. You get gifts, little gifts every month. And then, what's so funny, I'm just going to stop for a second because I'm that excited. Every month when I get mine, I actually forget about it because it comes, I have it subscription and it's automated payment. And then I'll get this little package and I'll be, oh yay, little treats, Princess got gifts. It's self-love gifts to me. So anyways, okay, let's get to it. I'm excited. And what I want to say about this is it's a recyclable box. They support recycling, and that's something near and dear to me. So let's start with the Glam Bag first. Look it. Oops. And how pretty. This is perfect. This is absolutely, well, first of all, daisies are my favorite flower. So, and this is I'm laughing and giggling. I'm so excited like a little kid because this is my first PR box and it's actually got my very favorite flowers. So, I know it wasn't planned for me, but maybe it was, God, the universe, job. So anyways, let's get back to this. Yay. I'm that excited. Let's see what we got. Oh my goodness, let's see. Oh wow, we got some Wander Beauty Unlashed Volume and Curl Mascara. And I can't wait, if you see, I don't have any mascara. I've got a little bit of my face is probably really shiny. I've got just a little bit of BB cream on. I've been pandemic. Oh, anyways, we won't talk about that. I just want to get onto this. I'll just sit here and I'm so excited. I'll just keep talking, rapping with you here. Okay, Carmella. Oh, we got a guest, Cody. Carmella Silk Mate Lipstick Long Lasting Formula. Ooh. Nice. Oh. Nice. It's a nice neutral shade that I like this. I love it. I wonder if, you know, I didn't fill out anything, I don't think, for this, but this is perfect for me. I really like to just kind of like my makeup. I like to, I mean, sometimes I like to get a little bold, little glam, but I really like things that bring out like my natural beauty, you know? Okay, let's see. Moving right along. Ooh, Insta Bay 3-minute hair mask by Foxy Bay. Let me smell. Oh my gosh, this is even sealed and it smells amazing. And as you can see, my hair, I take really good care of my hair. I'm 50 years old, so if you're older, you know that, you know, we gotta take special care, but it's also nutrition, of course, but I am so excited to try this. And to just leave it on 3 minutes. You know what, I'm gonna unbox this and then I'm gonna do a review. So this is just the first video. And Glow Recipe Dewdrops. Oh, yay. Nice. Nice. And like I said, I'm gonna link things down below. Oh, I should have grabbed this card first. Yes. They are reuse, recycle, and repurpose. Yes. So, in honor of Earth Day, we want to see how you give your glam bags a new life. Oh, okay, this is what they do. They have little things where, little contests, and they give away things too. So, you just gotta tag them and everything. Yay! And keep growing, because it's time for gardens and growing. Planting seeds and growing. I'm not a good singer. Okay. Let's see. You know, I need to Let's go on. Look at the Ipsy Plus bag. Yes. I'm like a little kid. I'm so happy. Like I said, you see all the bags. I love the bags, but daisies, both. So anyways, and the deluxe box, what's awesome is they give you full-size products that you can try. Oh my. Oh, I'm sorry, this was supposed to, in the mini bag is Liquid Kohl Liner Midnight Black. You know, I don't really get fancy a lot, but I'm excited for these products because I'm gonna do a review. I'm gonna get fancy. I'm a glam. Okay, now we're on to the Ipsy Plus. And wow, oh my gosh. Look at Farrah brushes. And you know, brushes are important when applying things. I know, like I said, I probably don't look very good right now, but we're gonna glam it up soon. Oh, I'm so excited. Let's see. Ooh. You know what? I don't know if I can pronounce this name. I feel silly. I'm gonna try though. I'm human. Mishko Beauty Blush Palette. And I do not use blush a lot, so this is gonna be cool. Like I'm gonna need some advice. So if you guys have any tips for any of these products you see, you can help me out. Help a girl out. Like, yeah, I'm gonna probably need a little bit of help. But let's see how pretty this is. Oh my. Oh, this is so cool. I'm loving it. And I'm not gonna lie, I've gotten blushes sometimes. I'm not the person to get makeup advice from. Of course, yoga, nutrition, I'm in the gym a lot. But every woman likes to look beautiful or feel beautiful. And, you know, it's in the inside. I believe in nutrients and stuff like that. But women are women, you know. Yeah. And that's all I'm going to say. But I love this. This is, like I said, and you know, when I get this every month, like I said, it's like a treat. And so I'm happy and excited. It's a little, like I said, a little present to yourself. I know I deserve it. You guys do too, I'm telling you. Okay. And like I said, what's most important is how these products, well, and everybody's different. So when I do the review, I'll give my opinion. And you gotta realize that everybody's different. Like, you know, there's no one size fits all. But sometimes, like, I know I get products that I'm like, wow, I love. Okay, this is Lee Riot Gloss. Oh, wow. I'm into packaging, so when I'm really excited about things like the packaging and how they're displayed, I get into that. But I used to work at a certain industry that this kind of stuff mattered. Well, marketing, you know. So, yay. Haas Laboratories. I hope I don't. There we go. I'm gonna. Ooh. I probably shouldn't do this without a mirror. I'm gonna give these proper reviews. I was so excited. This just come in the mail and I wanted to share it with you guys. So here I am. And I'll do a little review. Body cream, nice. And I'm gonna link everything below. And I am not as you can see, I get ippy all the time anyways. For me, I'm just excited. It's nice. It's nice. Like, this is just nice. And I appreciate you, Ipsy, sending so much love to you guys. And I can't wait to review your products. Ooh, Butter Tea Tree and Aloe Mask Scrub. To be honest, I really need this. So I'm gonna actually try this tonight. So yeah, yep, I'm excited. And it's Earth Day, I got daisies. Oh my gosh, it's not my birthday, it's Ipsy Day. So thank you for sharing this with me, my first box from Ipsy. I am gonna do this gift justice by doing a review of these products. So if you're interested, be looking out for that. And like I said, I'm gonna have the links below to Ipsy and the specifics on things. So just go into the description or I might have some links in the comments too. Bear with me, guys. I've been on YouTube as a participant of watching all the wonderful creators, but I just got really, really serious, like for myself, making videos at the New Year's Eve last year, really. I mean, I've done things on and off, and then I really didn't pursue it. Part of it because I thought I was, being older, you know, and I just decided to go for it. New Year's Eve, I decided to put things aside in my life and start eating, just because I'm 50 years old and I've had, you know, who knows how old I'm gonna live to be. So I can't be complaining about being older. I want to, you know, I've been a mom all my adult life and I'm building a new life, you know, not a new life, but you know what I'm saying. I'm getting to do more stuff for myself, you know, so I'm just gonna quit yakking. I'm so excited. Thank you, Ipsy. Thank you, everybody. I want to send you a lot of love and yeah, a lot of love and respect to you, and may your day be filled with satisfaction and love. Namaste. I have got a 5-minute yoga flow video coming up next, so be looking for that tomorrow. Much love, guys. Thank you for listening to me.